MIXTRAX can create a club-like atmosphere inside your car with cool DJ-style transitions and effects between songs and a great light show. MIXTRAX works with music played back from your iPhone through USB. MIXTRAX also works through music played back through a USB thumb drive like this one. So drop some files onto a USB thumb drive and put it into the USB port right here. The system will automatically switch to the USB source and begin to play a track. To activate MIXTRAX, just touch button number 3. MIXTRAX begins to play back a track, and you can see the lights on the head unit are reacting to the beat of the music. Let's check out some of MIXTRAX settings. We'll touch in on the volume control and roll along until we find the MIXTRAX settings. Here's MIXTRAX and press enter. And the first thing we see is the shorten playback mode. Shorten playback mode means that we can shorten the playback of songs down to 1 minute so that we hear more of the transitions between songs. Let's press enter there. Here we can shorten the playback to 1 minute, or we can extend it out to about 3 minutes. If you want to switch shorten playback off, you can do that right here. But I like to hear that shortened playback, and I like to hear the transitions between songs, so I'm going to leave mine set to 1 minute. Once we've made those adjustments, we'll roll over to the next setting, which is the flashing area, and we'll press enter there. We can choose to have the key and the display area flash, or we can have just the key area, or we can choose to switch the flashing off completely. For right now, I like the key and the display area to flash when MIXTRAX is active. So we'll choose that, and we'll roll over to the next setting, which is the flash pattern, and we have a number of different patterns to choose from. We can choose sound level patterns, low pass filter patterns, and random patterns. For right now, I'll choose sound level number 1. Press enter and roll over to the next setting, which is our display effects. The display effects is the lights reacting to the beat of the music inside the display area here. We can choose to have the display effects on or off. I like the display effects, so I'll keep them on for right now. And we'll roll over to the next setting, which is our cut-in effects. When I use the track advance or go back button here, I can hear the transitions between songs with cut-in effects turned on. If I don't want to hear those transitions when I advance a track, I can switch the cut-in effects off, but I like to hear them, so we're going to leave them on for right now. And we'll roll over to the next setting, which is back around to our shorten playback mode. At any time, you can exit this menu or any menu by pressing the band button to escape. And I can deactivate MIXTRAX whenever I like by touching the mix button.